Ready? Lynx. Ready? Go get it. Lynx. You say hello to the camera. Say hello. Oh, say hello. Say hello. What have you got there? What have you got? You got a bottle? Look at that. You got a bottle. I go out there and buy you things, $20 a piece, and your favourite toy is? It's the bottle, isn't it? Yes. The bottle costs nothing. Bottles are fun, aren't they? Yeah, look at that. You can rip up the paper, chew it up. Ready? You gonna chase it? Show me how you chase it. Ready? Ready? How you sit? Good boy. I think that was a coincidence. Come over here. Lynx, come here. Lynx, come here. Now sit. 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 Maybe I have to do the hand movement. Sit. Sit. Lynx, sit. Good boy. Good boy. And Lynx, he's like, now where's my food? Lynx, come here. Come here. Come closer. Ready? Ready? Go. He's just discovered his bark yesterday. It's more of a yap. I think she got it off Jesse because he found his voice really quickly. Lucky us, hey? Hey, Lynxy boy? Lucky us. I don't know if you should be eating that.